Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, the learning page. Let's dive into the video. Daulatabad Fort. This magnificent fort is just 11 kilometers from Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Located on a formidable hill at a distance. This fort was given the name of Daulatabad in the year 1327 AD by the famous ruler of Delhi Sultanate, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Before that it was known as Devgiri. This fort is situated on a special type of natural mountain, whose height is about 200 meters. This fort is one of the largest and grand fort in India, whose structure is 3 floors. This fort was so strong that it was not easy for any of its enemies to break or damage it. One of the most prominent structures of this fort is its main entrance, which is about 688 feet high, through which you will have to walk about 2 kilometers to reach the top of the fort. Cannons were always stationed on all the walls of this fort. There is still a 16 feet long and 2 feet circular cannon named Menda on the last door, which is about 3.5 kilometers. Can hit the target from a distance. The Chand Minar located inside this fort was built in the year 1435 by the famous Bahmani ruler Alauddin Bahmani Shah. This tower is about 63 meters high, in which various types of carvings have been done. The most amazing and interesting structure of this fort is its labyrinth, which is also known as the Dark Path, which is actually a 150 feet long dark tunnel. Seeing the beauty of this fort, famous filmmaker Chand has filmed it in his 1979 AD film called Ahimsa. The fort opens every day from 9 am to 6 pm, with an average visit time of 2 to 3 hours. Thank you.